Hello, welcome to the Mark Janad Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, let's talk about what you should do when starting bug bounty. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So two things you need to consider, right? Number one, develop a strong foundation. Begin by acquiring a solid understanding of cybersecurity fundamentals, including networking, web technologies, operating systems, and programming languages such as Python, JavaScript, and PHP. Familiarize yourself with common security vulnerabilities such as cross-site scripting, also known as XSS, SQL injection, and remote code execution, also known as RCE. The second thing is learn bug bounty methodologies. Study different bug bounty methodologies such as reconnaissance, enumeration, vulnerability discovery, and exploitation techniques. Familiarize yourself with tools like Burp Suite, OWASP, ZAP, Nmap, and DIRB, DIRB, which also, they're essential for performing thorough security assessments. Now, please, before I start, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, also the notification bell. Okay, let's start with it. So here are some essential tools that every bug bounty hunter needs to consider. Number one, we have Burp Suite, a comprehensive web application testing tool for manual and automated vulnerability discovery. Next, we have the OWASP ZAP, which is an open source web application security scanner that helps identify common vulnerabilities. Next, we have Nmap, which is a powerful network scanning tool that assists in reconnaissance and network mapping. Next, we have DIRB, DIRB, which is a website directory and file enumeration tool useful for finding hidden content or directories. Next, we have Sublister, and before the R, there is a 3, a subdomain enumeration tool that helps identify potential entry points. Next, we have SQL Map, which is a tool for detecting and exploiting SQL injection vulnerabilities. And here are some online platforms to practice, okay? So let's get into that realm now. Now, to enhance your skills and gain practical experience, consider utilizing online platforms that offer bug bounty challenges and simulated events. Now, here are some popular platforms that you need to consider. We have HackerOne, which is a leading bug bounty platform that connects researchers with organizations. Next, we have BugCrowd. Again, BugCrowd, which is a platform where researchers can participate in bug bounty programs and earn rewards. Next, we have PortSwigger Web Security Academy, which is an interactive platform offering practical web security challenges and tutorials. Next, we have TryHackMe, which is a platform that provides virtual labs and learning paths for various cybersecurity topics, including bug bounty hunting, right? Because we know that there is that TryHackMe versus Hack the Box debate going on. You know what I'm saying? It's out there. But that is essentially what one must consider. First you have to get the first, then get the second, right? You have to learn, and then you have to do resources that can help you and challenge your thought process. But please let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also, did I miss anything? Did I miss a tool or software that should be on this list? Please let me know in the comment section below. In addition, for the future, let's also get this conversation started in the comment section. How can one maximize their income earning potential when it comes to bug bounty hunting? Because essentially that is a key aspect of bug bounty hunting. You want to earn money, earn additional capital. So what do you think is the most maximizable way to earn the most income through bug bounty, to maximize the opportunity of bug bounty? Please let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Again, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. The goal is 10,000 subs this year. Thank you for helping me reach 1,000, but the goal this year is 10,000 subs. So please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like button. Please also hit the notification bell and share this content as well. I appreciate your viewership and see you on the next video.